Imagine you just finished a satisfying meal at your favorite restaurant. You've enjoyed every bite, from the succulent steak to the decadent dessert. As you're about to pay, you remember that you have Favepay cashback waiting to be used. But how exactly do you redeem it? Let's dive in. Ever found yourself staring at your Favepay app, wondering how to turn that digital cashback into real-world savings? Well, you're not alone. In this video, we'll break down the simple steps to redeem your Favepay cashback and make the most of your dining rewards. Step 1. Check your Favepay app. The first step is to open your Favepay app. Once you're logged in, navigate to your rewards or cashback section. This is where you'll find a detailed overview of your accumulated cashback. Step 2. Choose your redemption method. Favepay offers a variety of redemption options to suit your preferences. You can choose to redeem directly at the restaurant. Simply show your Favepay app to the cashier, and they'll deduct the cashback from your total bill. Transfer cashback to your bank account. If you prefer to have the cashback in your bank, Favepay often provides options to transfer it directly. Use cashback for other Favepay services. Some Favepay platforms allow you to use your cashback for other services, such as food delivery or online shopping. Step 3. Review terms and conditions. Before redeeming your cashback, it's essential to review the terms and conditions associated with it. This includes any expiration dates, minimum redemption amounts, or specific merchant restrictions. Step 4. Redeem your cashback. Once you've chosen your preferred redemption method and confirmed that it meets the terms and conditions, it's time to redeem your cashback. Follow the on-screen instructions in your Favepay app to complete the process. Tips and tricks. Here are a few tips to help you maximize your Favepay cashback. Check for exclusive offers. Favepay often partners with restaurants to offer exclusive deals and promotions. Keep an eye out for these opportunities to earn even more cashback. Redeem before expiration. Cashback often has an expiration date. Make sure to redeem it before it becomes invalid. Share with friends. Invite your friends to join Favepay and earn referral bonuses. Use Favepay for all your dining needs. The more you use Favepay, the more cashback you'll earn. Redeeming your Favepay cashback is a simple and rewarding process. By following these steps and taking advantage of the available options, you can easily turn your digital rewards into real-world savings. So, the next time you dine out, remember to use Favepay and enjoy the benefits of cashback. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy dining and saving with Favepay.